Hello everyone, this is Varsha. I'm currently pursuing my BE in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in CSE AI department. In this session, we will discuss about one of the major problem in our day-to-day life, that is plastic. Plastic waste is one of the major problem in our day-to-day life. When we dump it or throw it in our oceans or seas, it causes aquatic pollution as well as it causes soil pollution. It also causes global warming. So, plastic is one of the major problem in our day-to-day life. So, abundant waste due to the plastic is leading to calamities. Our problem statement is abundant plastic waste is leading to calamities. So let us see some of the consequences of this problem. The major problem of this, the major consequence of this problem is pollution. We will get soil pollution. When we dump the plastic waste into soil, soil gets polluted and soil erosion also occurs so that we may not grow any plants or we may not cultivate food, so we will get a lot of problem due to that. Now when we throw the waste and everything into the aquatic, we will get aquatic pollution. When we throw this waste into ocean seas, the animals which are living in aquatic medium, they may also get affected due to that plastic waste, so that it causes many problems to the aquatic animals. Now let us see some of the solutions for this plastic waste. How can we use this plastic waste into reusable, which doesn't get any consequences or any problems to the society, so that it will be safe. One of the solution is recycling tons of plastic. We can recycle tons of plastic, and also we can make roads out of that recycled plastics. We can also make indestructible bricks. We can also make the plastic into fashion. Now let me give a brief detail about aquatic pollution due to the plastic waste. The main consequence of this plastic waste is aquatic pollution. It harms the marine life, that is the animals which are surviving in marine life. It affects it affects a wide range of creatures, from small fishes to the seabirds to large mammals like dolphins, whales. Leading to injuries, suffocation and death. And also water quality. The plastic break down the water particles into microplastics, which can absorb toxic chemicals from surrounding water, so that we will get less water quality. So the food which the water who are consuming those water will also get affected. Next, ecosystem disruption. Plastic waste can disrupt aquatic ecosystems by altering habitats and affecting the balancing of species. Next consequence is soil pollution. The microplastics in soil. Over large time, the larger items break down into smaller particles called microplastics. These will find their way into soil through which they means. Next, impact on soil health. These microplastics in soil can adversely affect the soil health and fertility, so that it becomes difficult for agriculture. Toxicity concerns. Some plastics contains additives and chemicals that leach into soil, so that these chemicals may have toxic effects on organisms and soil organisms that present in soil, which disrupting the soil ecosystem. Let us see how is plastic recycled. Over 4.5 billion kg polyethylene terephthalate produced, only 19.5% is getting recycled, and 5.5 billion kg of polyethylene, only 10.3% is getting recycled. Polyvinyl chloride, 0.9 billion kg of polyvinyl chloride, nothing is recycling. Low density polyethylene, 7.4 billion kg of low density polyethylene, only 5%, 5.3% is recycling. 7.2 billion kg of polypropylene, only 0.6% is getting recycled. Over 2.2 billion kg of polyester, only 0.9% is getting recycled. Over 6,300 billion kg plastic waste generated, only 567 billion kg plastic waste is getting recycled. What about other plastic waste? Other plastic waste we are dumping into soil and we are throwing in the aquatic, marine, everything, and we are getting the pollution due to that. So how to utilize the remaining plastic waste and how to convert these into a useful thing is our concept today. Let us see some of the methods and or some of the solutions of this problem. One of the solution is we can make roads out of recycled plastic. Yeah, it's true. We can make roads out of recycled plastics. Plastics which cannot be recycled through the traditional process are not compatible through the process can be utilized. Which and all plastics cannot be recycled and which and all cannot are not compatible can be utilized for construction of roads. Company uses plastic bottles and bags to build roads that last 10 times longer than asphalt. These roads are very strong and these last for 10 times stronger than asphalt. See, the roads which are made up of plastic waste are very much stronger than normal roads. So this can be one of the solution of our problem. One more solution of this plastic waste is we can make indestructible bricks from this plastic waste. Yeah, we can make from unrecyclable plastics. We can make a huge indestructible bricks. These bricks are very easy to produce. They need not need any special skills and quick to assemble with a hammer. These bricks are perfect for temporary structures. After natural disasters or long-term structures like low-cost housing and public buildings, these indestructible bricks are very useful. Plastic into fashion. Last couple years, a growing number of textiles and business and environmental organizations have started to turn plastics into fabric in order to combat global plastic waste. Sustainable fashion is designers that use sources like a polyester, water bottles, and even nets to produce cloths from recycled plastics. If you observe the figure given below, we can take 8 plastic bottles and shred it into flakes, and these flakes are melted into pellets, and these pellets extruded into yarn, and this yarn is knitted and made into shirt. So those were the possible solutions for our problem statement. That is, we can make plastic from the plastic waste, the indestructible bricks, roads, and also clothing. Thank you.